Assalamu alaikum. Lesson number 21, 6th Hijri year of Madani life. In this year, there was a battle with the Banu Mustaliq tribe at Muraisi in which the Muslims were victorious. While returning from the battle, the hypocrites falsely accused Aisha radiallahu anha, but Allah declared her to be pure. This is known as the incident of Ifk. In the same year, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam left for Umrah with his companions. The disbelievers of Makkah tried to stop them. They reached Hudaybiyah, where the Quraysh made a peace treaty with the Prophet on a few terms. After this treaty, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited many kings and governors to Islam through letters. Some of them accepted Islam. The lessons are: do not falsely accuse anyone, and obedience to Allah is the key to success. And convey the message of Islam through all possible means. Major events of the 6th Hijri year are Battle of Banu Mustaliq and incident of Ifk, Peace Treaty of Hudaybiyah, and letters to the rulers. For details, watch our 5-minute series on YouTube.